Hi, I'm Nitya from Business Academy. As we all know, math make is just a fun for all the children. So when we are introducing numbers to the children, so we have to start with the different fun activities so that we can make a children to be more active in the class. We can use some fun learning methods to introduce the numbers. As we all know, for the early childhood, for the low class children, it's very difficult for the children to concentrate for the whole class, even without any games or something. So, if you make it more fun, the children can learn it very easily. So, we can use some hands-on activities for introducing the numbers. Okay, so when we start introducing the numbers, first we have to start with the numbers 1 to 10 for the children. So we have to start with the 0. So when we are introducing the numbers with the sequence, when children are learning the sequence of the numbers, we can use number line. It is very easy for the children to understand the numbers in a sequence. So we can make the number line with a different art, and even we can just draw inside the classroom and ask the children to jump on that or the hop on the numbers so that they can understand it very easily, the sequence of the numbers. So when the children starts with the 0, they have to hop to the next number 1, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that they can hop and they will understand the sequence of the numbers. To identify the number, we can use even the flashcards for the children so that it helps for the children to identify the number. So once they start identifying the numbers, we can ask them to count and counting. So for counting, we can use many hands-on activities. We can give some objects for the children to count and find out how many are they. So suppose if we give as we all know, the children loves the toys or some different objects which they can hold it easily and count properly, so that it will be easy for the children to even to count and understand and write the number. For this, even we can make it like a bingo game. We can divide the children into groups and ask them to and give them some objects or the toys, whatever we want, and we can ask them to just count it and find out how many are there. So it is easy for the children. So in a group, when they are introducing, they will come to know what is that number. Then we can ask them to find out and they can pick the number card also. What number they got, they can pick the number card. So it will be easy for the children even to identify the number and even to count. So counting makes for the children even very happy. When they are counting, they'll enjoy. So if we give some color objects, or we can ask them to pick out some 3 objects from given any object, set of objects. If you ask them to pick only 3, so they will count and take out, and they will show this is the 3, and they can even show the number card as number 3. So it is easy for the children even to understand the counting and even to identify the number. Once they understand and identify the numbers, they will easily come to know which is the bigger number and which is the smaller number. So for that, we can see in the next video how can we compare the numbers. So this introducing numbers is very important for the children, and even if we give some real life examples, if suppose there is a birthday party, how many cakes you want to buy for your friends, how many cakes you want to give for your friends, how many chocolates you want to give for your friends. Like that questions, if we ask for the children in a group, the children will be happy to answer for that, and even they want to share their things with their friends, even the gifts, how many they want to buy, what they want to give. So by giving such real life examples, children are able to understand what is it, how many I have to buy, how much I have to count and what is this number. So it is very easy for the children to understand what is the number, how to count it, and how to identify the number. Even by showing the flashcards, the children will identify very easily. So these fun learning methods we can use for the lower class children to introduce the numbers. Okay, thank you. So we can see in the next video about comparing the numbers. Thank you.